The bag-o-nut sorting table is a purpose-built solution for simplifying nut harvesting and post-harvest processing. Designed for efficiency, it allows users to easily separate debris, empty shells, and defective nuts from high-quality yields. With a sturdy frame and user-friendly design, the sorting table reduces manual labor while increasing accuracy in sorting. Farmers and hobbyists alike appreciate its mobility, ease of cleaning, and adjustable configurations to suit different nut varieties. Whether for pecans, walnuts, or chestnuts, the bag-o-nuts sorting table provides a professional yet practical tool that enhances productivity and ensures only the best harvest reaches storage. The LetsGoAero GearSpace cargo carrier offers travelers a versatile way to expand vehicle storage without sacrificing convenience. With a sleek, enclosed design, it protects gear from weather, dust, and theft. Built to mount securely on a hitch, it provides up to 34 cubic feet of additional storage, making it ideal for road trips, camping, or everyday hauling. Its aerodynamic structure improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional cargo trailers, while dual-opening doors offer easy access. Rugged, weatherproof, and lockable, the GearSpace cargo carrier transforms any vehicle into a road-ready hauler that combines capacity with security and style. VelociRAX is a next-generation vertical bike rack system engineered for cyclists who demand both capacity and ease of use. Unlike traditional racks, VelociRAX allows bikes to be loaded and unloaded effortlessly with its innovative roll-in, roll-out design. It securely accommodates up to 7 bikes, including mountain, road, and fat tire models, making it the perfect solution for families, teams, and adventurers. Built with heavy-duty steel and powder-coated for durability, it ensures stability even on rough terrain. The tilt-down feature adds convenience by allowing rear vehicle access without removing bikes. VelociRAX is the ultimate blend of engineering, strength, and rider-friendly functionality. The Dragon Inflatable Light Tower redefines mobile illumination for work sites, emergency response, and events. With rapid deployment technology, it inflates and lights up in under 3 minutes, delivering powerful 360-degree illumination. Its inflatable mast is lightweight yet durable, resistant to wind and weather, and supported by high-efficiency LED technology for extended runtime. Compact when deflated, it fits easily into a transport case, making it highly portable. Whether lighting up disaster zones, construction areas, or outdoor gatherings, the Dragon Inflatable Light Tower offers a professional, reliable, and energy-efficient solution where traditional towers may be impractical. The Twistep Pet Step is a clever and ergonomic solution for pet owners who want to make vehicle access safer and easier for their dogs. Mounted to the vehicle's hitch, it twists out for use and locks away under the bumper when not needed. Designed to support large dogs, it provides a stable and non-slip platform that minimizes stress on joints and prevents injuries when climbing in and out of SUVs or trucks. Built from durable materials with weather-resistant coating, the Twistep ensures long-lasting reliability. It's the perfect accessory for pet owners who prioritize convenience, safety, and animal well-being. The LetsGoAero GearDeck is a rugged slide-out cargo box designed for maximum utility and protection. Unlike traditional cargo carriers, the GearDeck offers a fully enclosed, weatherproof storage solution that keeps equipment safe from road grime, theft, and the elements. Its sliding rail system allows the box to extend out for easy access, even when mounted on a hitch behind an SUV or RV. With a large capacity for camping gear, tools, or sports equipment, the GearDeck is built for adventurers who need secure and organized storage on the move. Durable materials and a lockable design ensure long-term reliability, making it an essential travel companion. The Rough Country UTV 2-inch receiver winch mount is a versatile and heavy-duty solution for off-road recovery. Designed to fit most UTVs, it provides a stable platform to attach a winch while maintaining flexibility for towing or other hitch-mounted accessories. Its powder-coated steel construction ensures strength and resistance to the elements, while the easy bolt-on installation makes it user-friendly for all types of riders. Whether pulling a vehicle out of mud or hauling equipment, this winch mount delivers the reliability and toughness expected by outdoor enthusiasts. Compact, rugged, and dependable. It's a must-have for serious UTV owners. Clearview Next-Gen Towing Mirrors are premium upgrade accessories engineered for safe and confident towing. Featuring extended visibility and dual mirror surfaces, they significantly reduce blind spots and improve awareness of trailers, RVs, or cargo loads. Built with modern styling, electric adjustment, heating, and even power folding options, these mirrors combine convenience with functionality. Their aerodynamic design minimizes vibration, while robust construction ensures durability under tough conditions. Ideal for towing large campers or boats, Clearview Next-Gen mirrors provide drivers with professional-grade safety and peace of mind on the road, making them one of the most trusted towing solutions worldwide. The RugCell pickup truck crane transforms an ordinary truck bed into a powerful lifting machine. Engineered for tradesmen, ranchers, and outdoor workers, it provides a compact yet capable solution for hoisting heavy loads such as generators, engines, or tools. With a swivel base and adjustable boom, it offers flexibility and ease of operation. The crane is constructed from high-strength steel with a durable finish, ensuring long-lasting performance even in rugged environments. Designed to be mounted directly onto a pickup bed, the RugCell crane reduces manual lifting strain and boosts productivity. It's a practical upgrade for professionals who demand efficiency and strength. The Ultimate MX Hauler is the professional rider's answer to transporting dirt bikes safely and effortlessly. Unlike traditional trailers or ramps, it uses a hydraulic lift system that allows a motorcycle to be secured and raised into position with minimal effort. Compact and hitch-mounted, it eliminates the need for bulky trailers while offering superior stability during transport. Designed with rugged steel construction and adjustable tie-down points, it ensures motorcycles remain secure on long trips and rough roads. For motocross racers and enthusiasts, the Ultimate MX Hauler delivers convenience, durability, and innovation in one sleek package. The Husky Towing Truck Bed Extender is a smart solution for maximizing cargo capacity without upgrading to a larger vehicle. Designed to attach securely to a truck's hitch, it extends the usable bed length, making it ideal for hauling lumber, kayaks, ladders, or oversized gear. Its durable steel construction ensures strength and stability, while adjustable height and width settings allow compatibility with different trucks and loads. When not in use, the extender can be folded for compact storage. Built for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and DIY users, the Husky Bed Extender offers a balance of utility, durability, and convenience for everyday hauling challenges. The OEDRO aluminum towing hitch step is more than just a step. It's a multifunctional accessory that combines convenience, safety, and towing performance. Crafted from lightweight yet strong aluminum, it provides easy access to truck beds, roof racks, or cargo areas. At the same time, it doubles as a protective buffer, safeguarding bumpers against minor impacts. Its anti-slip surface ensures stability in wet or muddy conditions, while its universal fit design makes it compatible with most 2-inch receivers. With corrosion resistance and a stylish look, the EDRO hitch step is a practical upgrade for drivers who value both function and form. The Mountain Lock GearDeck generator carrier is a heavy-duty platform built to securely transport portable generators on RVs, trailers, or trucks. Designed for stability and safety, it eliminates the hassle of loading heavy generators into cramped compartments. With high weight capacity and an anti-rattle design, it ensures quiet, secure travel even on bumpy roads. Constructed from powder-coated steel, it resists rust and weather damage, guaranteeing long-term use. Its modular design allows for easy installation and compatibility with different setups. For campers, contractors, and adventurers relying on portable power, the GearDeck provides reliable transport and peace of mind on the go. The Rigid Armor Midsize Hybrid Swing-Out Tire Carrier is engineered for off-road enthusiasts who need rugged, dependable spare tire management. Its swing-out design allows full access to the rear of SUVs or trucks without compromising storage space. Built with precision-welded steel and a durable powder coat finish, it withstands harsh trails and heavy loads. Beyond tire storage, it can also accommodate fuel cans, recovery gear, or other accessories, making it a multi-purpose utility upgrade. Easy to install and designed for mid-size vehicles, the rigid armor carrier combines strength, practicality, and versatility for serious overlanding adventures. The Towtector is an advanced rock guard system designed to protect trailers, boats, and cargo from road debris while towing. Featuring heavy-duty brush strips and adjustable mounting, it shields valuable loads from rocks, mud, and other hazards kicked up by truck tires. Built with corrosion-resistant materials, it offers long-lasting performance in all weather conditions. Easy to install and remove, the Towtector provides hassle-free protection that saves time and prevents costly damage. Whether hauling a camper, horse trailer, or boat, this system ensures peace of mind for drivers who prioritize safety and protection during every journey. The Diode Dynamics Hitch Mount is a premium rear lighting solution that combines utility and safety in a compact package. Designed to mount directly into a standard 2-inch hitch receiver, it integrates a high-output LED light that functions as an auxiliary reverse light or work light. Built with automotive-grade materials and waterproof housing, it withstands dust, mud, and harsh weather conditions. Its plug-and-play installation makes it user-friendly, while the powerful beam enhances visibility during night driving, trail backing, or campsite setup. For off-road adventurers, contractors, or everyday drivers, the hitch mount delivers reliable performance, safety, and durability in one simple yet powerful upgrade. The WaySafe hitch system revolutionizes towing by integrating a built-in scale that measures tongue weight in real time. This ensures safe, balanced towing and helps prevent dangerous sway or uneven loads. Precision machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it offers unmatched durability while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance. With multiple ball sizes and adjustable height settings, it provides compatibility with various trailers and towing needs. For RV owners, boat haulers, and work crews, WaySafe eliminates guesswork, enhances safety, and protects both vehicle and trailer. It's a must-have for anyone serious about secure, efficient towing. The Demco Sentry Deflector is a protective towing accessory designed to shield boats, campers, and trailers from road debris. Mounted between the tow vehicle and trailer, it acts as a durable barrier, deflecting rocks, gravel, and dirt that could otherwise cause costly damage. Made from heavy-duty rubberized material and reinforced with a steel frame, it delivers long-lasting performance and reliability. Easy to install and remove, it's adjustable to fit a variety of towing setups. Ideal for long-distance travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals, the Sentry Deflector offers peace of mind by keeping valuable trailers safe and clean on every trip. The Tow Smart Trailers Car Tow is a versatile system designed for safely and efficiently hauling vehicles. Engineered with reinforced steel construction, it provides the strength needed to tow cars securely over long distances. Its advanced design includes safety chains, braking compatibility, and adjustable wheel platforms for different vehicle sizes. Compact and easy to store, the Tow Smart system is practical for both personal and professional use. Whether for emergency recovery, relocation, or commercial operations, it offers unmatched reliability. This trailer solution combines heavy-duty performance with user-friendly design, making it an indispensable tool for vehicle transport. The BW Continuum Weight Distribution Hitch is a cutting-edge towing innovation designed to balance loads and reduce sway for smoother, safer travel. Using an adaptive design, it automatically adjusts to changing road conditions, distributing weight evenly between vehicle and trailer axles. Built with high-strength steel and premium components, it provides exceptional durability under heavy loads. Its quiet, maintenance-free operation sets it apart from traditional hitches, offering a stress-free towing experience. Ideal for RVs, campers, and cargo trailers, the BW Continuum ensures enhanced stability, safety, and control on the road, giving drivers confidence no matter the distance or terrain. The Minuteman XD Slide-in Wheel Lift is an advanced towing solution engineered for professionals who demand speed, safety, and efficiency. Designed to fit seamlessly into the bed of a pickup truck, this hydraulic-powered system transforms an ordinary truck into a powerful tow vehicle within minutes. Built from reinforced steel and precision components, it can handle heavy loads with ease while maintaining stability and control. Its slide-in design allows quick installation and removal without permanent modifications, making it versatile for fleets, repossession agents, and roadside assistance providers. With fingertip hydraulic controls, operators can safely lift, secure, and transport vehicles in record time. The compact design maximizes mobility, even in tight urban environments, while offering the strength required for demanding recovery jobs. Combining durability, performance, and adaptability, the Minuteman XD sets a new standard in professional towing equipment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.